As a male standing here, there's been a lot of females that have voiced their opinions, and a few males, but I am a single dad to a 9-year-old. I've been a single dad for the past 6 years. I wake up every morning, get out of bed, give her breakfast. While she has breakfast, I make lunch, get her dressed, take her to school. I go to work, come back from work, we go to the gym together, then I come home, she does homework. While she's busy with homework, I cook, and then I put her to bed. So gender equality, roles, let's just change our whole, males need to change, females need to change. We all need to jump in together and do this together. Okay. It shouldn't from one-sided thing, it's everyone. So I just need to, I'd be doing my daughter in service and a lot of other females in service if I didn't stand up and voice this. And I feel that we should. Okay, so I just thought I needed to say that, and just to make other males aware of the fact that being a single dad is something that is possible. It's not something that should be a wow, it should be something, it's your child too. You are responsible for that child. And it's not only a female role. Okay, moving on to resolutions. Okay, so we've heard a lot over the past 2 days, and this is what we thought is what has come out of these 2 days and all the sessions that we've had. So we've heard from one of the sessions that balance is never missing, it's just present in another form. So you may not achieve balance in your everyday life, but overall the idea is to try and achieve balance. So if you have a day where you work a lot, the weekend's coming, so over the weekend, rest, if you've had a tough week. So it's not that you expect to have balance every day, but try to achieve balance overall. Encourage value for money procurement. So we find that a lot of the smaller firms give ridiculous discounts, like 70% discount. We should say no to this. We should tell our clients to say no. I wish there were more clients here so they know that you need value for money procurement. It's not about the lowest tender, like it was said, it's the lowest competent tenderer. And that's something we all need to strive to. It's something we should voice. And also, we are also sometimes forced by our clients to take on contractors that we know are not competent. We should then voice that, saying, no, we will not then be part of this project. Because the product you will get at the end, we have to put our name to it, you have to put your name to it, and we all know that the product you're not going to get is not fair to the service provider. Once we've built the road, we all leave, and it's someone else's problem. Sewer pipes that are not to the right grade, everything, when things start blocking, that's not our problem because we've moved away. So we need to voice that, and that should be one of our resolutions. In contracts, let's identify possible disputes. Let's not have this contractor versus consultant, client versus consultant. Let's all just pitch in together, and let's all just let's basically resolve anything that's going to cause disputes earlier on. Any sort of misunderstandings or anything, that's what contracts are there for. If there's any other misunderstanding or disagreements, contracts, raise them in the beginning of the project before you sign. So we need to improve knowledge and application of contracts and involve legal professionals during the drafting and signing of contracts. I know that a lot of us have copy-paste tenders. It's been done before, copy-paste, but we never ever involve legal professions because this is done over and over again. But the example from yesterday says just a comma of you typing something out changes the whole context. So we should encourage our line managers. I know it's an extra cost, but just to have a review. I mean, Orcon, I know, has a legal review board, a legal review department where we send out documents, and we should just encourage smaller firms to also seek legal advice. I know it's something that's expensive, but at the end of the day, we're as civil engineers, we're serving the people. And so we should make sure that from the beginning to the end of the project, we're constantly serving people. Okay, also sustainability has been a big topic. So we need to raise awareness within our companies and the client base on the green engineering. Keep a cognizance of the green economy and circular economy. Consultants should engage more openly with clients on their plans for sustainable solutions and how we can assist. So we need to also engage our clients, have EIAs done. I know it's a whole slurp. Water use licenses are difficult to get, but it's something that needs to be done, and we need to make our clients aware of this and make it. And we should just refuse to be part of anything that destroys the future. Our profession by itself destroys. But because when we build roads, we need to clear and grab, but let's keep that within the limits. Let's keep it within the footprint and do the best that we can when we're designing not to affect nature and have a sustainable development. So an aspect of sustainable design is to maximize the capacity of existing infrastructure. So upgrade roads where possible, don't abandon them, and upgrade infrastructures. You need to upgrade pipes. Most of the time it's always just abandon the pipe and let's put in a new pipeline. When there's when you can actually remove that pipe, or you can do one next to it. So let's just make sure that we use the existing infrastructure. We also basically inherited this country the way it is, with the spatial development that it has. We've inherited it that way, so let us try and maximize that and not just break everything down and start over. That's not possible. Okay, so yesterday we also learned about personal investment. Stay in your lane. I think that was one thing that he said, is stay in your lane, and investment is a lifelong thing. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. So let's all stay in our lane, and that's we should understand the importance of investing in our future from an early age. We're still in the early ages, maybe not me.
Presented by top professionals from the industry. The YPF Imbizo is a great investment in the future of engineering, and to host such an event, it would not be possible without sponsors who show their generosity and their interest in YPs. Therefore, we would like to thank each and every company, organization and individual that contributed directly or indirectly towards this Imbizo.